Hey guys, Elon just revealed that the first Neuralink brain chip trials have begun. If you didn't already know, Neuralink is Elon's startup, which will enable people to control any device just by thinking. This will obviously be a huge blessing for people with ALS and those who have lost their limbs. Neuralink's core mission is to restore capabilities such as motor functions, vision, and speech. They are hyper-focused on people with quadriplegia, and their first patient trials are for a program called PRIME. PRIME stands for Precise Robotically Implanted Brain-Computer Interface. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are systems that decode the electrical signals inside your brain and convert them into commands to use external devices. So for example, to move your mouse or to change a channel on your TV, you would not click anything, but just think about the intended movements. Now, let's talk about how the trial will work. I will also link to their website and study brochure in the description. Please keep in mind that I am not endorsing the study or encouraging you to sign up. Cutting-edge research like this can be risky. I'm only sharing this for information. Moving to the study brochure, it says Neuralink's N1 device will be implanted in the patients. The device looks like this. Interestingly, the surgery to implant the chip will itself be done by Neuralink's R1 robot, which is capable of thread-like precision. Participants will be asked to use the N1 Implant and N1 User app to control a computer and provide feedback about the system. The trial has some strict eligibility criteria shown on the screen. An estimated time for this study is 6 years. Follow-ups with experts will be done for another 5 years. So, if I were to take an educated guess, you can only expect Neuralink chips to be commercially available towards end of the next decade. Obviously, this is a conservative estimate. Maybe we will see the surgical robot R1 in production much sooner. Now, if you have a loved one who is suffering from ALS or motor function loss, you will understand how incredible this stuff really is. Neuralink will be a blessing for a lot of people whose muscles have quit working, but their mind is still working vividly. Granted, there are some concerns about having a computer literally inside your body. What if it gets hacked or malfunctions? And I get that, which is why I think Neuralink is doing right by moving cautiously. But the positive impact of this cannot be denied. Just imagine the number of lives this will change for the better, including military veterans, amputees, patients with MS, ALS, and spinal cord injuries. All of our fellow humans will be able to experience life as fully and as vividly as we do. I think that's an amazing future to look forward to. That's all, guys. If you like AI news that gets straight to the point, consider subscribing. I also make good AI tutorials, so check my channel out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.